Hi Judies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Terry Shanae coming through with another video. Today I'm excited because I am trying out a foundation that everybody's going crazy about on TikTok. But before I try this foundation out, before I start, did y'all like and subscribe? Come on, go ahead, like and subscribe. I mean, or what else you gonna be doing? You might as well go ahead and subscribe right down below. I'm waiting. Y'all do it yet? Okay, thank you guys. Alright, anyway, so of course the foundation that is taking like off on TikTok right now is the new Good Apple foundation. Yes, I already swatched the colors to make sure the color is okay with me because they're sold out everywhere, honey. Like, a lot of the colors were like gone, and you know your girl works at Sephora and I couldn't even get it anywhere, and so I had to go to Ulta. I had to go to Ulta and get it there, which, you know, we love Ulta. Ulta's no problem for us. But if you guys hear like little things in the background, just remember it's my dogs. Can't do anything with them too. But anyways, so I already swatched just to make sure the colors were going to be okay with me, because the color that I wanted was sold out. I wanted 74. This is shade tan 78, and it should work. It should work. Just a little tidbit of me, if you don't know, I like to focus most of my colors in the center of my face. That's where I have more yellow undertone in. That's where I focus more of my foundation. So I didn't want anything red because I just don't like red undertones everywhere. But it's okay if it is red because I can just highlight. So, yeah. I'm about to murder you guys. Okay, sorry guys, my dogs moved my camera. I had to straighten it out, and I don't like this angle anymore. It's not like how it was, but whatever. So, I don't even remember what I was saying. So, I already like swatched the shade just to make sure it could possibly look good. So we're just gonna see. But this foundation retails for $38. It's supposed to be like a luminous matte full coverage. It said buildable, but everybody, like, if you've seen TikToks, it's like full coverage. So we're gonna see how this goes, and we're gonna go right into it. I already primed my skin, so I'm gonna take my Sephora collection brush and go right into it. Let's see what the big fuss is about. Guys, I think I got the right color. Like, this looks amazing. I'm kind of curious to what 74 looks like now, because even though this looks amazeballs, like, it's a little, it's not, no. Yeah, it's a little bit redder than what I normally go for, but I'm not mad at it. It's supposed to be like a warm undertone, which is fine, but it looks like a happy medium. It almost looks neutral. Almost. Okay, let's put it on my forehead. It's definitely luminous, but it's like skin-like. Who knew I would be putting a cream on my face? Because I only like liquids. Guys, this is... what kind of sorcery is this? This is amazing. It is covering my pores really nicely. Okay. This is like sorcery right now. I'm gonna let you guys come in closer. So this side I have nothing on. This side I do have on the foundation, just so you could see. You guys see that? KVD. What is going on? Like, this is amazing. Okay, KVD Beauty. I see y'all. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera. Y'all want to see how it looks. Okay. Oh, yeah, putting it on now, I see that it is more red. It went a little bit more. It's like a orangey, but not too orange. It's not like Oompa Loompa orange, but yeah, I can't wait till 74 gets back in stock because I want to see how that color looks. Guys, one swipe, and I'm done. It's really luminous though. I thought it was supposed to be like luminous matte, but this is more. And you know what? I should have known that because a lot of cream foundations are a little bit more hydrating. But girl, I don't like this much healthy glowish. But I love how it looks. It's just a little bit too red, and that's okay. That's, you know, they didn't have, like, the foundation was sold out. The color that I wanted was sold out. So what I am going to do is I'm going to bring more dimension back into my face and just go a little bit lighter with my concealer. I'm going to be using my Rare Beauty concealer in the number 410N. And that was a little bit too much. Okay, so it looks like really natural, like a really natural foundation. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder to set. It's a good thing about it being a little bit more redder than what I'm used to. I already have like a natural contour. See? But I'm still gonna put a little bit, like a little bit of bronze. Cause I wanna be bronze. Who doesn't wanna be a little bit bronze, you know? And I'm using powder because, ma'am, she already looks like she's hydrated enough. I like to dip my makeup in like, well, my foundation makeup, like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm over exaggerating, but like 10. I can do this in like 10 minutes. Cool, I can do this in 10 minutes, but that's how easy it was. I didn't need a lot of anything. Like anything. This is some sorcery. Of anything. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera for real this time, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my makeup off camera, and by finish the rest of my makeup I mean I just put on a little mascara and my lips. Anyways, so what do I think about this new KVD Apple Balm foundation? I mean, it's the bomb. I know, like seriously, like look at my skin. It looks so good. It doesn't feel cakey. I mean, looking at myself, I'm like, do I have too much makeup on? But it's not bad. Like, it's so nice. Like, one swipe and it was on there. Like, who does that? Not anybody. And even if you are oily, you just set with a powder, or even before you even like put on the foundation, like prep with the powder too. Like I'm sure it'll be fine. This looks gorgeous. Like, look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face. Gorgeous. I don't have a lot of hyperpigmentation. I don't have a lot of like darkness. I do, but I don't have a lot. Like that, most of the time I don't color correct. Sometimes I do color correct, but I didn't need to if I wanted to. So KVD had baby, because Lord knows she said she was gonna take this right back to Ulta, get it, like if it didn't like come, like wasn't up to par, I would take it right back to Ulta because I had to pay full price. Whatever, we all have to pay full price because, you know, she couldn't use her discount, but whatever. I'm keeping this. Who gonna judge me? I'm judging myself. But this is amazing. Cute packaging. Non-comedogenic. So it's good for if you have sensitive skin. Good. Vegan, cruelty free. You don't need a lot. If you like that full coverage foundation and one swipe done. I mean, why wouldn't you do this? Why? Alright, Judies, we have another product that is amazing. So if you guys see it, grab it. I'm telling you this now. If you see it, grab it. Alright guys, I'm signing out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments below. If there's anything you want to see, let me know. Like, I'm a little bit upset with you guys that y'all didn't tell me about this. Like, I had all these people calling the store that I work at asking about this foundation. I'm like, what's going on with this foundation? Why does everybody want this foundation? Lo and behold, here goes TikTok. So I'm like, okay, let's see what this is about. Okay, anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Just be safe. Bye.